Hello and thanks for watching Best Maths Tutors. I'm continuing to go through the Edexcel Foundation Tier Paper 1 from 2018, and this is question 18. And we've got a question which tells us that two stores have got a special offer on breakfast cereal. So we can see we've got Food Mart and Jan's store, and it says each shop has got a special offer, and what we've got to do is we've got to work out which one has got the best value for money. So Food Mart sells 400 grams of cereal but with 20% off the normal price of £5, and Jan's store sells the 400 grams plus 30% extra for £5. So what we've got to do is make things the same in both of these so we can do a comparison. I'm going to try and find out how many grams of cereal £1 will buy from each store. So to do that, we know that normally £5 was the cost from the Food Mart, but we've got a 20% reduction there. So we could say that 100% of that cost would be equal to £5. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say £5 is actually equal to 500 pence. But then, first of all, before I find 20%, I'm going to find out what 10% is. So to go to 10%, what I'd have to do is divide by 10. So if I divide the 500 pence by 10, then I would get 50 pence. And now I can find what 20% is by timesing that 10% by 2. So that'll give me 20%. And then I've got to times the 50 pence by 2, and 2 50s is £1. So because we've got a £1 reduction, that means the cost then is going to be £5 take away £1, so 5 minus 1, which is going to give us £4. So we can see that for Food Mart, £4 will buy us 400 grams of cereal. But what we want to do, because I've said I'm going to try and find out how many grams of cereal £1 will buy, then I'm going to find out from this what would £1 buy. So to go from £4 to £1, I'm going to divide by 4. So that means £1 will buy me 100 grams. Now I'm going to look at what Jan's store is charging. So we can see that originally we had 400 grams. So the total amount of cereal originally is 400 grams. So 10%, again dividing by 10. So I've got to divide both sides by 10. That would give me 40 grams. So having got 10%, I can find 30% easily by timesing by 3. So that's going to give me 30%. And if I times the 40 grams by 3, then I'm going to get 120 grams. So that means that this £5 at Jan's store will actually buy me 120 grams plus the 400 grams of cereal, because I've added the 30 on. So 30% plus 100% is going to be 400 plus 120 is 520 grams. Now I want to find out, so I can do the comparison, I want to find out what £1 will buy me, because I was finding out what £1 would buy in each store. So £1 is going to buy me 520 grams divided by 5. So if I use the bus stop method, as it's sometimes called, so 5 into 5 goes once, 5 into the 2 goes 0, but then 5 into the so then I carry the 2, 5 into 20 is going to give me 4. So I can see that £1 at Jan's store will actually buy me 104 grams. So we can see, if we compare these, which one's got the best value. We can see Jan's store's got the best value because £1 will buy me more cereal. And in these questions, it's actually important to state that as well, because there's always a mark at the end which is called a communication mark. So it's not enough just to do this calculation. We actually have to say Jan's store is the best value, and that's what we need to write in order to be able to get all the marks for that question. So I hope that's been helpful to you, and if it has, well, you'll like our video and consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.